How to fix Instagram Reels not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Instagram Reels not working, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To fix if Reels is not working, open the settings application. After you do that, simply look for the application or the option known as apps and then just tap on it. Once you tap on apps, simply search for Instagram. And once you find Instagram, just make sure to tap the Instagram application. After this, scroll down, go to storage, and then make sure to clear the cache files, and if possible, you can also try clearing the data. Once you've done that, open up your Play Store, and in the search box just type in Instagram, and then check if the Instagram app has an update. And if it does, tap the update option and make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully this video helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.